Hey guys, it's Jules with DIY with Jules and welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be recreating these rustic candle holders and this beautiful bird cage from items that I found at the Goodwill. I went and picked up a few items along with this tall vase. It's made out of metal. I will be recreating something with this later on, but for now, let's get on with the video. So as I said before, I picked up these 3 metal candle holders. They're black and they're really beautiful. If you are into the black, they're absolutely gorgeous. And I also picked up a bird cage, but we have moved to Florida and my new home decor is going to be this rustic glam. Guys, you know that I cannot give up my bling, and I am going to be redecorating my new home with rustic glam look. I am not in my home yet. We are grateful to my mother-in-law, who has let us stay in her home until our house gets finished. And while we're waiting, I'm going to be making a few DIYs. And the first is this beautiful rustic candle holder set and bird cage. To begin this project, I used this antique white paint that I purchased from Walmart. It was the matted paint. I used a bristle brush and I went over it very lightly so that I can leave some of the black showing. I let it dry and then I went over it again, still leaving some of the areas black because I wanted to have this rustic look. And once I was done with the candle holders, I went on to the bird cage. Guys, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Please consider subscribing and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a video. I took these Dollar Tree flowers and I took 2 of the rose petals and I took them apart and I painted over each petal with the matted antique white, and also took a little bit of light pink and painted the tips of the flowers, and I also added a little bit of silver gray. I decided to use Dollar Tree gems to embellish my candle holders. These candle holders have these gaps all the way around, and I decided to use the one with the shorter gap so that I can put the gemstones all the way in. On the larger ones, all the gaps are too big for the gemstones, so I decided to use a gem wrap. My flowers are all dry and I put them back together, and I started working on my bird cage. I found this gray burlap ribbon in Dollar General, and I thought it was absolutely beautiful, so I decided to use that on the bottom of my bird cage, and I glued the two roses to the bottom to give it some embellishment. And I added a little bling to my bird cage by putting two of the diamonds inside of the flowers, and I also put a diamond on the top to give it a glam lid look. These flowers came out so absolutely beautiful. Later on, I am going to put some Mod Podge on the tips and sprinkle them with a little bit of glitter. I didn't do it before the video, and once I looked at it, I said, you know what, it can use a little more sparkle, but they are absolutely gorgeous. You can use this for a wedding. You can use it as a centerpiece on your table. The sky's the limit with how you can use these two beautiful DIYs. Guys, if you're new to my channel, I'm happy that you guys came by. Please consider subscribing, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a video. Thank you for stopping by, and I'll see you real soon.